cheap, so he know he gotta pay me. Chauffeur got him driving Miss Daisy. When it shot, but couldn't play me. Money long just like my bundles. I ain't crying in the back of no Hummer. Few racks turn the lip up, huh? Few stacks, he might get my number. Click, click, get the dials on, baby. Put some heat on it, now she hot, ooh, baby. Screaming flip that like Stacey Dash. Daddy check my fit, got expensive on the test. To it, who is you? Why you crying, girl? He treat you like a fool. He be lying while he out here doing him. Think it's time that you show him you a pimp. Ain't no ties, try to lie. He ain't mine, no. He ain't mine, no. Ain't no ties, try to lie.
And which one outperformed which in the wired mode test? I believe the Q11i did the best here. The bass was just a little bit more present than the JBL 720 BT. So Q11i for hip hop, this particular song, I felt like it performed better. JBL wasn't bad, but Soundcore just had the edge in this category. But we got to check out what they sound like Bluetooth mode. And for the Bluetooth test, which one did I think outperformed which? The JBL 720 BT did the best here, in my opinion. The Q11i was just a little too bass heavy for this genre of music for me. So JBL 720 BT, everything was on the same playing field. It sounded nice and even. I could hear a lot of the notes better because, again, nothing was overpowering anything else. So I'm gonna go with the JBL with this particular genre of music on this song. Feel free to disagree. In fact, let me know in the comments below. Full disclaimer is in the description below, so if you got questions, please check that out. Let me know what y'all want to hear next. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.